Okay, hi guys. I got this for a couple of days, and it's the pistol. I had it. This is what it looks like. This is the bigger clip. This is the tiny clip. Let me see if you can get that out. I'll turn it for you guys. These are the BB packets, and this is the manual. I think that's upside down. Yeah. And you can pause the video if you want to read it.